Hey everybody, Sunday, April 14th, 2023. So I got this lawnmower here, link in the description. Nothing wrong. I just feel like if you're working on it, work like a gentleman. I know I got the compressed air out because I know that last year I had schmutz in here. So I'll leave this open so I remember. See, it's a little clog there, but so I gotta spray it all off. But anyway, so what I wanted to talk about is that China sent me a message on this video many years ago, and they were like, hey, do you want wheels? I was like, I guess, you know, if it's free, it's for me, right? So anyway, they sent me two links. One of the links looked like this. I actually am gonna pop it off, and then they turn around and say, oh, it's out of stock. So who cares? But what I wanted to do is, there's a little noise here. That's a lot. I probably won't fix it, but it sounds like it's gears. Maybe it needs oil. I want to pop this nut off. I'll show you what it is. I got a 1/2 inch here, just so you know it fits. So I just want to pull the tire off. So yeah, we got the stuff coming out, this stupid stuff that falls, albovites. Got the cord chooching. We thatched off camera because there's no reason to thatch. Maybe I'll watch this video. These things are sprouting. This has to be seeded. This is all thatched. Some of them are different. Some of them come up quicker than others. Like I said, I have the cord out. This is almost done. I just gotta mow. That's why. I blew everything in the street and it's so windy that it leaves. But this is what it looks like when you thatch. Pull this stuff up. You rake it. And then I'm gonna mow. So we're gonna go back and take that bolt off. Incidentally, I've been gluing this. This is the only selfie thing I have. I've been gluing this every single time. Okay. It's cracking. Okay, focus. It's cracking. It doesn't like it anymore. I think it's seasonal. All right, let's get to it now. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to take off the bolt, if it lets me take off the bolt. Yeah. Nope. I mean, maybe, but hold down. Yeah, that's all it needed? Yeah, that's great. That's all it needed. Then I can do it by hand. Let's see. Nope, not yet. I don't know if it's taking off the shaft. I don't know if it's taking off the back. I'm assuming it's just taking off the bolt. Like I said, this is a 1/2 inch socket. Let's see what happens. Make sure nothing pops out. Okay, be careful. There's a gear. So let's talk it out loud. Wait, there's a bolt. Bolt comes out. Okay, you guys are watching that. This plastic piece comes out. We'll hit that with compressed air. There's some kind of stuff, dirt, and then there's dirt, and there's a gear. And then there's this gear. So what we'll do is turn this gear to see if it makes noise. Nope. So we'll go and get the compressed air and a chisel tool that I like to use. Be right back, homie. Alright. Got the compressed air plugged in. Here's the tool I use for underneath it when it gets wet. That's really all I have. Just hit this. I don't know if I can move this. Perfect. Perfect time for a rag. I got a rag. Get the compressed air out of the way. All right, let's keep going. Here's the shaft. If you can. Bolt is greasy. Get this because you can. Hopefully you can hear me. These are one of those rags that you have. I have 5 or 6 of them. Don't know if you have them, but this needs grease to be reapplied. Could be anything. Automotive lithium would be the best. I could spray stuff on here, but it's such a small application. I wonder if there was grease on this. You know, like when this gets reapplied and the teeth get put in, probably doesn't hurt to grease the squeaky wheels. Looks like it just went in and just bottoms out, so that's good. This way the tire is still free. That makes sense to people. All right. Oops, sorry. So it looks like I'm going to take a couple of pictures. No, I'll just reference the video. They wanted to make sure that I got the real one, the one that fit this, but it's been like 3 weeks. So yeah, I mean, I could text them back, email them back. I mean, the treads are shot. The front is different because there's no axle. So we'll see. Just like to show everybody real time. Because people think, oh, you guys don't do anything, YouTube's messed up, you just took the tire off, I don't know what grease you used. And it looks like, which I can't fix, that the shaft might be a little bouncy. You can see it in there. It's it too. So let me see. Yeah, you can feel the teeth in there. So it's worn now, and it probably is because this wears out. It probably moves a lot more because there's no threads or treads. So what happens is, yeah, I get it. I see what happens. Yeah, there was definitely grease. Nice to take off what was in here. There's a pebble, rust. You really want something that's steady. So what I'm going to do, I think, depending on how disgusting it is, I'm actually going to get the Corvette grease gun and just put it on my finger and just, it's grease, right? And then what I'm going to do to show you, I'm going to take a finger and just smush it in here. When it's completely, when it doesn't need any more grease, it'll just come out on its own. not smart. Alright, I have this grease gun here. We could see if it just kind of works. There it is, there it is. Yeah, see? I don't know if you can, but you can. It's not gonna hurt it. It's the same thing that you put on your old hot rods.
Are you done with this?
So at the end of the day, it's free. I've had it forever. So get her done. Kids are outside because that's what they do. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. So this is nice. I don't know what happens after grass gets into it. I'm going to lube the shaft up for what it's worth. This up with my fingers. Just back in here. Sits between two pieces of plastic. Just like that.
Alright, no more.
Oh, that's enough.
Okay, no more. No more.
Gonna put this like this. Put this in here.
Allison, stay outside.
Okay, we got some more. Gotta get this nice. Gotta get this nice. Hopefully you can see me. I need some more grease. Feel like putting the grease in here. I don't think that this is a problem. So let's see. Take the grease off. Get off your fingers. Oh, I'm gonna put some in the shaft here. We squeeze some out. Yeah, I got a lot here. See this shaft? I'm just gonna go like that. And that's what this thing's gonna do. Okay? Okay. So let's see if I can put it back this way. There's a little dimple there. The shaft goes in the dimple. That's that. Then this tire, it's like a starter. And it's a shaft with teeth. And these are the teeth. There's really not a lot of schmutz in here. The teeth are actually still there. I wouldn't even know how to take this out if you had to. So what you're going to do is you're going to find where the tooth and teeth match. And then the shaft goes in. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to stick my head. I'm going to bring this off a little. hold that. Make sure it doesn't go up. Right? Find the teeth. I found the teeth. Put the shaft in. Oh, well, okay. There we go. You just have to. There we go. Okay. Let's bring it this way a little. Thank you. Problem is now the grease everywhere. Let's turn the ratchet to righty-tighty. Okay. See, now you got it's tight. And I'm just going to use the momentum of the pushing it forward. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I lose the squeakiness. Wow. X281X for the win. Okay, we're just gonna make sure that it's tight like a tiger. Ready? See, that's the adult oomph. That's how I take off the back right tire of my lawnmower, Toro lawnmower. We're gonna do the other side. It's exactly the same thing. And it's already been a couple of minutes, so I don't want to waste your time. So hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. And we are Gucci. Take it easy.